A young fox on these barren wastes may have to travel 100 kilometers a day searching for food. Scratching for scraps, scavenging from others. It's a meager existence. And the worst of winter is still to come. By midwinter, temperatures drop to -50 Celsius, and deep snow makes scavenging nearly impossible. But a faint sound beneath the snow may be this fox's salvation. Lemmings. It's time to become a hunter. But catching what you can't see is not easy. It's hard to judge the leap. And the depth of the snow. Too deep, and you get stuck. Too shallow, and it can be rather painful. It's going to take time, but mastering lemming hunting is vital for the young foxes to make it through the winter. At last, the fox is on its way. But if he is to survive until spring, he needs to make a catch like this every couple of days.